To mess up a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than when back when we had it easy. Now you don't believe me when I say.
आधे से ज़्यादा साल लॉकडाउन में गुजारने के बाद हम सब थक चुके थे. We were frustrated and yearning for a vacation. So one evening we decided to venture out and the next morning we were on our way towards Mandarmani. Our first road trip in a very long time. Sudden plans की बात ही कुछ और होती है. The excitement of some sudden unexpected fun is all very alluring. The road looked magnificent in the bright shining sun. The Vidyasagar Setu was looking majestic with the panoramic view of the city horizon.
Still instigating things. Fucking up another perfect night when all you ever did was treat me right. Give love and everything that I needed. I know it won't be easy, but darling, please believe me when I say I've changed. But how can I lose it now? The silence is way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw my love away.
The distance from Kolkata to Mandarmani is around 180 kilometers. It takes around 4 hours to cover this distance.
Baby, don't throw my love away. Away, yeah. Away, yeah. Away, yeah. Baby, don't throw my love away. Do you really wanna leave me all alone tonight? Don't make me chase you until the moonlight. Baby, I don't wanna have to go another night without you by my side.
The clear blue October sky seemed to be painted with tufts of white clouds. We were relishing the taste of freedom after a very long time. The road from Kolkata till Kolaghat was awesome. One can easily cover the distance in around 1.5 hours.
Baby, don't throw my love away.
After this point, the road conditions changed somewhat for the worse. Construction work was going on at certain places. As a result, the roads were really congested. Since these roads go through busy towns, यहाँ पे खास कुछ traffic rules follow नहीं किए जाते. Driving becomes a bit difficult from here on.
Baby, don't throw my love away. Away, yeah. Away, yeah. Away, yeah. Baby, don't.
We were tired of the dust and pollution and the concrete jungle of the city. The lush green paddy fields on both sides of the roads were a sight for sore eyes. We passed an occasional river here and a stream there. We were feeling so much closer to nature than we had in a very long time. Mandarmani is known for its fisheries. One can see these fisheries on his way here. They look quite splendid. We reached our hotel at noon. After a brief rest, it was time to hit the beach. The beach was wow. It was simply awesome. The splashing waves, the cool sea breeze, the feeling of wet sand beneath our feet, the sense of freedom. Oh, we had missed it so much in the past few months. The beach was not at all crowded, which was really great considering the current pandemic situation. So, social distancing is one less thing you have to worry about here. The following day, the sea level had risen many folds. The sea waves were literally lashing against the concrete barricade of our hotel. The next day, we set off on a day trip to a more popular beach named Digha, which is around 30 kilometers away. Due to its popularity, the beach is pretty crowded. We had a tough time finding a secluded spot to click some pictures. Nevertheless, it was a very enjoyable experience. It was time to head home now. The stress of the past few months of being confined only to home and office had taken a toll on all of us. This was a much needed break from our monotonous routine. It was like hitting the refresh button of our clogged up systems. The setting sun had colored the sky in a golden hue. The fiery sky looked absolutely majestic, and its reflection in the water looked equally splendid. With this sweet memory, we bid adieu to Mandarmani, our sweet little neighborhood getaway. It was truly a refreshing vacation.